Hey guys, it's Emma Kimball,
And Natalia Jones.
and welcome to Physics Now. Today we're here to talk about the tragic atomic bombing of Hiroshima. On August 6, 1945 at 8:15 Japanese time, an American B-29 bomber plane called Enola Gay dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The devastation was beyond anything seen before. The city was immediately flattened. 80,000 people were killed as a direct result of the blast, and another 35,000 people were injured.
Even then, Japan didn't surrender. 3 days later, another nuclear bomb was dropped by the Americans on the Japanese city of Nagasaki. Shortly afterwards, on August 15, 1945, Japan finally admitted defeat. World War II was over.
Now let's get to the science side of Hiroshima.
The weapon used on the city was the nuclear weapon, the atomic bomb.
The immense destructive power of an atomic weapon derives from a sudden release of energy produced by splitting the nuclei of a fissile element making up the bomb's core. The U.S. developed two types of atomic bombs during the Second World War. The first, Little Boy, was a gun-type weapon with a uranium core. Little Boy was dropped on Hiroshima. The bomb exploded some 1,900 feet above the center of the city, over Shima Surgical Hospital, some 70 yards southeast of the Industrial Promotional Hall, now known as the Atomic Bomb Dome. Crew members of the Enola Gay saw a column of smoke rising fast and intense fire springing up. The burst temperature was estimated to reach over 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, which ignited the surrounding air, forming a fireball some 840 feet in diameter. Eyewitnesses more than 5 miles away said its brightness exceeded the sun tenfold.
On August 6, 1945, a uranium fission bomb was detonated over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The bomb, called Little Boy, was a gun-type device which used an explosive charge to force two subcritical masses of U-235 together. It was 28 inches in diameter and 120 inches long. A relatively small package to deliver an explosive force of some 20,000 tons of TNT by converting about 1 gram of matter into energy.
This could be accomplished with a sphere of U-235 about the size of a baseball. This kind of device has never been tested, in contrast to the plutonium bomb, which was dropped on Nagasaki 3 days later. No device like this has been used since, making the estimates of radiation exposure at Hiroshima very difficult. Casualties included both direct blast victims, plus those who died from radiation-induced cancer in subsequent years.
Using the atom to create an explosion didn't seem realistic until 1939, when scientists in Berlin managed to deliberately split a uranium atom into lighter elements. Induced in the right way, the process of nuclear fission can release enormous amounts of energy. According to initial reports by the New York Times, the bomb dropped in Hiroshima exploded with a force of 20,000 tons of TNT, although that estimate has since been downgraded to 15,000 tons.
The bomb was devastating, but the science is super cool. That's all for today. Come around tomorrow for electroelasticity on 92.3 Physics Now.